born Ford sometime 2015 or newer. We're not exactly sure where. If you're using a Banks gauge, and this is a 2024 Mustang, you're going to find that when you go into AFR or Lambda to have a gauge here, that it reads lean. What you're going to want to do is flip the ratio so that it reads correctly. To fix that, you're going to hit the right arrow button. You're going to go into down, settings. You're going to go into units and density. You're going to see air fuel ratio and Lambda. I'm going to select that. I'm going to select Lambda 1.0. And then when I select this, it's going to have an option for air to fuel, which is what normal vehicles work on, but apparently Ford reversed it. So you're going to have to change it to fuel air. Once you've changed it to fuel air, hit the sideways arrow, that will select it. And then you can back all the way out, and your AFR is going to read properly.